On Tuesday, in the village of Kadamtola, Sarashpur, a worker was seriously injured while installing a new iron pole next to the ST line of 11,000 kV. The name of the injured worker is Aziruddin. It is known that under the Kadamtola Electricity Department, iron poles are being installed to carry a new ST line from Kadamtola substation to Sarashpur via Brajendranagar village along with the old ST line. As such, some of the workers were hired for the work. Among them, one worker is called as Aziruddin, and along with two others, Aziruddin was working to install the new iron poles that were attached to the power lines. It is reported that the installation of new iron poles along the current line was going on, and at that time, while erecting the iron pole, shovels slipped and the pole stuck to the lifeline of 11,000 volts. The two workers there somehow escaped, but Aziruddin was seriously injured by the electric shock. His waist was burned along with his right leg. Later, Aziruddin was brought to Kadamtola Social Hospital with serious injuries.
মানে কিতাল সাজে আছিলেন টানা চলের এটা কোন রুটে টানা চলের তাই নাকি তাই বিদ্যুতের লগে ইয়ে হয়ে গেছে নাম কি তো তাই এরপর তোমরা কদমতলা হাসপাতালে লই আইছো কয়জন আসলে খাজো
The doctor on duty there, Dipal Chakma, saw the condition of the injured and referred the patient to Dharmanagar District Hospital. The injured was brought to Dharmanagar with the help of workers in an ambulance. The doctor on duty there referred the injured to Agartala GB Hospital for better treatment. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.